Hello, hello. This is Tom from Tom and Ruth Filipino Adventures. How's everybody doing today? We'll update a couple of things. Happy 4th of July to everybody. It is the 4th of July here in the Philippines. It's approximately about noon-ish here in the Philippines. And this is an impromptu video. I just did a video talking about banking and everything and had quite a few comments to my email. Thank you so much, guys, for asking the questions. Also, I had a lot of questions asked me about my leg and my body. Yes, I did go to the doctor. Doctor charged me $12 to see him, and it was more of a follow-up. My leg in detail, I'm not going to go in detail with it. I'm a lot better. I'm on medication. 70% of my body, he said, 70%. I had 70% of infection in my body. So he's got me on some heavy antibiotics to cure that, and some other medications to calm the pain and stuff on my leg. It was a cyst grew on my leg about the size of I'd say it was about the size of a golf ball, and they're caused by many different things. As you guys know, I caught a rash, heavy rash, and so that caused that to create another thing and another thing and another thing. My blood pressure's high though, 170, and was a little high, and it was concerning to him, which it affects the kidneys and things like that. So he said my kidneys are okay. I just need to get out and do more exercise. So, which I'm planning to do that. But other than that, everything is fantastic. So happy 4th of July to everybody. And I always want to wish everybody a great and fantastic 4th. Here in the Philippines, what will I do for the 4th of July? I'm going to have me some hot dogs. If I find some great hamburger meat, and if I have to drive or fly or wherever, I'm going to try to find some hamburger meat somewhere and make good hamburger. And that's my goal, and I'm going to grill it. And I'll do a video if I can find it. I'll do a video on that. They do have hot dog buns here, so I can have hot dogs. If not, I can get hot dog buns from Ollie. He brings them in from somewhere. They actually make them for him, so I will get them from him. The the bakery makes them for him. They make his buns too for his hamburgers. I want to thank everybody for always watching my videos. This is just a short little video to wish everybody a happy 4th of July. And if I can find some good Lay's potato chips that's not out of date, I'm going to get those. I went to the best place to find that stuff is usually at 7-Eleven. They have the full selection of all Lay's. And a lot of them, to make sure you check the code dates on them. A lot of them out of date. A year. It's 6 months. A lot of them's going out of date. A lot of them stale. Even the ones that are in date sometimes can be stale because they're in the sun. As you guys know, they transport this stuff in the sun here and leave them in the trucks. And so it affects the product inside. But I'm going to find me some Lay's. I'm just going to have a good old-fashioned barbecue. Today is my goal by this evening. I got feelers out of people trying to find me some ground beef right now. I got one guy in CDO. He's coming back within an hour. Ruth is in town. I got her searching for ground beef. I have somebody else looking in Davao that's heading back here because they had to go to Davao for the visa. So they're going to go by, is it S&M or one of the Costco, and they're going to try to find me some good ground beef. And hopefully sometime, somewhere, someone will have some good ground beef. And I'm talking about ground beef that is I want 70-30 or something like that. You know, you guys know what that means. 70% lean and 30% fat. So I make a good hamburger, man. You want it right. And then cheese. You got to have cheese. So that would be done today. So I'm jabbering. But I just want to wish everybody a happy 4th of July. Even though I'm here in the Philippines, I'm still a U.S. citizen, and I still celebrate some of the holidays, especially Christmas, my birthday, New Year's, of course, and Thanksgiving. There's some great holidays. Sometimes we all need to thank the Memorial Day and Veterans Days, of course, also. Thank you so much. See you guys next time.